6. Hope you're all doing really well. Today in maths, we're going to look at solving algebra word problems. I'm going to go through some examples which are similar to the questions on the 2 worksheets you've got today. Either do challenge 1, which is the easier one, or challenge 2, which is the more difficult one. Have a look at the tutorial first, then choose which challenge you think is best for you, and the answers are on the website to help you. Right, let's look at our first algebra word problem. So my first one is I have 10 sweets and give my friend n sweets. How many sweets do I have now? So let me repeat the algebra word problem. I have 10 sweets and give my friend n sweets. How many do I have now? So what you would write is 10 minus n. And that would be the answer to that word problem, because I have 10 sweets and give n sweets to my friend. Let's look at another example of an algebra word problem. Okay, my second algebra word problem is there are 100 balloons at a party, X balloons burst, how many balloons are left? So I've got 100 balloons at the party, X balloons burst, so it's going to be minus X. So I have 100 balloons at the party and X balloons burst would be my answer. Let's look at another algebra word problem. So number 3, I have 6 presents and my friend gives me K more. How many do I have now? So I've got 6 presents and my friend gives me K more. How many do I have now? So I have 6 plus K. Let's look at another example together, woodpeckers. There are 5 apples in a bag. I buy T bags of apples. How many do I have? So I have 5 apples in a bag. I buy T bags of apples. So 5T would be our answer there. Let's look at one more example together, woodpeckers, and have a go, see how you get on. So my last algebra question I'm going to do is, the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, and it increases by m degrees. What is the temperature now? So I've got 30 degrees Celsius plus m. Okay, that would be my answer for that one. Have a go, woodpeckers, see how you get on. Let me know how you did. Good luck, take care, bye.